Last two little tasks here. The king of bombardiers has got a smoke in his mouth and he's tightening up track adjusters. We just you have to move it back and forth sometimes to get the track tight. So one of the things Dad noticed here right before we're about to move it out of the shop and call the customer is that one of the things he noticed was track adjusters were not the greatest. So by moving it backwards and forwards, you get some of that
Just get a
little slack into the tracks.
This one needs a wee bit more.
Okay.
Couple of turns. On that little fucking door, eh?
Okay. So
This is just about ready now.
last few tasks here. We know we've been saying that for days, but one of the things that was Dad was worried about here was track adjusters were a little bent. So Dad was able to repair one, but he replaced one as well.
Yeah, but this is what I done. I cut a shim. So it's thin here and thick here. And I welded it in so that it's pulling straight instead of an angle.
So they were pretty bent. Dad just said here that he's managed to fix the brakes too. Dad had a kind of a Mickey Mouse brake system here that was...
I can't change it because I can't get a rotor.
So
A caliper, I should say.
we ordered calipers, brake calipers a few weeks ago, and we still haven't received them in. And we actually got to move this machine out because it can't actually hold up the shop. We got to bring in the next machine. But Dad did manage to get it addressed. He changed out to bolt, you said?
I changed out a couple of bolts and I adjusted the caliper to the rotor.
Okay, so right now he's just doing a little wiring here for...
No, just tying the wiring up.
Oh, tying the wiring up. So customers already been informed that they can come and pick up their Bombardier, narrow gauge, 1959. Was actually pretty good working on this one. Fast turnaround. Next stop for this machine is the customer is going to pick it up and then they're going to take it to a auto body shop for sanding and priming and painting. This belongs to the customer, but the wife is the one that's going to be the primary driver, or the primary operator. So he didn't want us to do any auto body repair here. So what they're going to do is they're going to sand it all down and prime it and paint it. And Dad's done the front here, but going to have a bit of a rainstorm here this afternoon, probably going to last a couple, 3-4 days. That's what the forecast is calling, but we're going to get this one moved out of the shop and then we're going to roll in the next one. So goodbye 1959 narrow gauge Bombardier. It's August the 10th, the Thursday, and machine's rolling out of the shop. Beautiful little narrow gauge going back to the customer. Actually turns pretty good. I don't know where he's taking it, but gets around the shop for a bit of a spin. Or he's parking it right there for the customer for them to pick up. Yeah, I guess that's where it's going to be parked for the customer. Dad said that he's. We talked to the customer on the phone yesterday. I think that customer might be coming here this weekend to pick it up. And we will be working on another project here right away. Turns pretty good.
He's got a backup camera in here, so
Oh, he does. Okay.
I can see everything. Tracks are good. He's gonna be surprised how good it runs.
Okay, there we go. Thursday, August 10th. Dad is going to move the next project in.